Today we'll be discussing the recipe of mint coriander chutney. So let's start. So first of all, take a handful of coriander, remove the roots and get rid of the weeds in it. We need to make sure that our chutney is fresh, so select the fresher leaves of coriander. Next, take 1 pack of mint and 1/4 kg green chili. Take 1.5 tablespoon of chili and salt. Start by chopping the coriander into very thin pieces. Chop them, making sure that they can easily be blended in the blender. After chopping the coriander, chop the mint and chilies after next. After that, grab your blender, plug it in and fill it with mint, chili and coriander. Next, add half of the salt and half of the chili. Place the cap and start blending. Keep blending until everything turns into a fine paste. Open it halfway through and scrape the sides of the blender so that nothing is stuck to the sides and everything is chopped and blended properly. Once it's all turned into a fine paste, pour it in a container. Make as much as you like, it depends upon you. Keep blending and lastly, pour it all into a container. The delicious mint coriander chutney is ready, which can be taken with any type of gravy. Another way to use mint coriander chutney is to pour it into ice cube trays, freeze it for later use, and when you need to make mint coriander raita, then you can simply remove a cube and then drop it into the yogurt. Easy peasy. If you liked our video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss the notifications of our upcoming video. Thank you.